Ever wondered why we yawn and why it seems to spread like a ripple through a crowd? Yawning, a simple yet mysterious act, serves multiple purposes. It's often associated with drowsiness, yet research suggests it helps regulate brain temperature, ensuring optimal functionality. Intriguingly, yawning is not just about fatigue. It's tied to empathy and social bonding. When one person yawns, it triggers a profound empathetic response in others, making it contagious. The mimicry of yawning is believed to strengthen social ties within groups, promoting vigilance and cohesion. So, the next time you see someone yawn and feel the irresistible urge to join in, remember, you're participating in an ancient, communal behavior that unites us all.